his message from Adiala jail, where he has been under unjust incarceration since the past 266 days, former Prime Minister and the founding chairman of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Imran Khan expressed his gratitude to the Almighty and congratulated the party members, leaders, and supporters. Mr. Khan reminded his nation that although he has been imprisoned for the last 9 months on totally bogus, concocted, and baseless cases, yet, if he has to stay in jail for 9 years or more, he would rather do that than strike a deal with those who seek to enslave his nation. Founder Chairman Imran Khan reiterated that to prevent the ongoing devastation of the country, every citizen must take responsibility and, quote, utilize the abilities and resources bestowed upon them by Allah to fight for their freedom, unquote. Former First Lady Bushra Khan's lawyer Naeem Haider Banjuta provided an update on her health after his meeting with Mrs. Khan. He relayed that Bushra Bibi is suffering from chest pain, high blood pressure, pain in the kidneys, and that her health complications continue from the effects of the chemical-laced food she was given by the regime. Her EKG reports show the presence of Q waves, which indicate that the former First Lady has most likely suffered a heart attack. Mr. Banjuta reiterated that Bushra Bibi did not suffer from any of these ailments before she was unjustly imprisoned 88 days ago. Speaking about the usurper regime's propaganda that Mrs. Khan is making excuses about her health in order to avoid completing her jail sentence, Bushra Bibi has stated in no uncertain terms, quote, keep me in jail as long as you want. I stand by Imran Khan for Pakistan, unquote. Advocate Naeem Banjuta stressed that even under incarceration, a citizen has the prerogative to seek medical help of their choice, and that her client is asking for nothing more than her legal and constitutional rights. A new bench has been formed for the hearing of the case regarding the letter from the 6 judges of the Islamabad High Court against interference in the judiciary. A 6-member bench headed by Chief Justice Qazi Faiz Isa will hold the hearing on April 30th. Justice Yahya Afridi is not included in the new bench. Justice Isa had delivered a speech where he rejected the need for a full court or a judicial council to discuss this extremely important case. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf reacted to the statement, saying it is tantamount to brushing the letter from the 6 justices of the Islamabad High Court under the carpet. PTI has stressed that in the interest of judicial independence, a full bench must hear the case. The number of Palestinians with malaria, dengue fever, and other illnesses is rising as mosquitoes and flies spread amid a lack of sanitation facilities. Meanwhile, Israeli military attacks have wrecked 70% of the water wells and 50% of the sewage pumps in northern Gaza, worsening sanitary conditions. Aid groups say the lack of clean water, nutrition, sanitation, and reliable healthcare throughout Gaza is causing infectious diseases, including hepatitis A, to spread in the enclave.